Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So yesterday, you guys remember I said I had to mount these 4 boxes. So we got the boxes mounted, all at 36 inches to center. Got everything wired up, got everything strapped, and well, not everything, I'll show you that later, but mostly everything's strapped except for when we ran out of straps. So everything's strapped, left some extra wire going underneath and back up in case these need to get dropped down any lower, then we'll be good to go. So got everything wired up, nothing has landed inside the box. The grounds and all the other wires inside the box are not connected to anything, they're just taped off. The hots and the neutrals are taped off and safed off in case this ever gets energized. But we'll come back later, put lollipops in there. And then here is the second alcove right here. Same exact scenario. You got wiring. All the wires go to the second box right here. So this can all be on one circuit or with the home run pipe, which you'll see here in a second, which is just getting kicked out of the wall right now. We can run one set of wires, so one circuit, or we can run 3 circuits. So the left circuit can be on, so the left box can be on one circuit, the middle box can be on a circuit, and then the 2 right boxes can be on a circuit if we want to split it up into 3 circuits or just have it as one. And here is the pipe going out of the ceiling, and we ran out of spreader bars, so there is no strap for the part above the box. Anyways, that's what I worked on. My apprentice helped me on the second alcove, but mostly he was working on going around and putting in these chases up in the ceiling for the fire alarm. So when we go to pull fire alarm down the road, we won't have to worry about going in and out of walls. Everything will already be good to go. So that's what he worked on for most of the day, and then he, like I said, he helped me finish up the last part of the second alcove. So anyways, that's what we worked on today. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Peace.